So wherever we go, whatever we're facing, you students and the rest of us, my prayer for you, don't lose heart. Keep your eyes on Jesus. Remember, he has overcome this world. He has conquered death and the grave. And so we have everything to hope for, nothing to fear as we follow him. Another sleepless night, pray and hope comes with the morning light. Right now you're feeling like you've lost this fight, and fear is screaming out your name. So you say, God help me. You wonder if he's even listening. Truth is, I've wondered the very same thing. So you don't have to feel ashamed. Let me walk through this valley with you and tell you all I've learned to be true. Don't lose hope, don't you dare let go. I've been where you are, you are not alone. I know it gets dark, I know it gets hard, but we're gonna make it home. So don't lose heart.